back to our new home tour. Today we present a outstanding home with mind-blowing interior design. It is a 4 BHK duplex home design with flat roofing. All 4 sides of the yard are walled with beautiful gate. Exterior decorations are done very attractively. White color paint along with wall caddies bring the elegant look to this home. Open style vast spaced sit-out is designed here. Porches are attached with the sit-out designed at left side. 3 beautifully decorated pillars are built at front area. Two single panel windows and doors are designed in sit-out. Wooden chair and white and black combination floor tiles also bring stylish view to sit out. Moving on, we entering the living area. Beautiful sofa sets and show walls are arranged here. We can see pergolas with glass covering on the wall. LED spotlights are done on the ceiling. Moving on, we entering the dining area. Wooden table with chairs are arranged here. This is the washing area, designed very stylishly. Let's check the interior works of here. Now we are going to check the bedrooms. This is the first bath attached bedroom with vast space. Double cot bed, curtains and wardrobes are arranged here. This is the second bath attached bedroom. Settings of this bedroom like previous one. Moving on, we can see stylish kitchen area. It designed very clean and neatly. Shelves, racks and more storage cabins are arranged very stylishly. Cupboards are made to matching the floor tiles. Kitchen leads to vast-spaced working area. Fireplaces, shelves, racks and washing area are done here. Next we going to check first floor. Glass with steel frame railing are used here. Checking the third bedroom. White and grey color curtains and single cot bed are arranged here. Next we moving to the fourth bedroom. At last we check the balcony area. Seating places are arranged here. Now we completely check this stunning home. Totally, this is a stylish home design with all modern facilities. Hope you are enjoyed this home tour. Feed your valuable comments in comment box. Thanks for watching.